Hello, today I'm here to share my latest DT kit from CrafTangles, and they've launched new designer decoupage papers as well as transfer sheets, and I'm just going to flip through and show you all the interesting goodies. First up is their clear gloss texture paste. So this is going to be a texture paste that dries clear and of course can be used with so many other mediums. Then up I have this gilding flakes in two gorgeous color combinations, the red and silver and the black and gold. This would help me add an element of bling to my projects very simply using these flakes. Now here's a look at their thin decoupage paper. I'm just going to open one and show you. It's a very thin sheet and can actually be used as tissue sheets when layering in mixed media projects. So here are some vintage patterns, that's old world, and vintage roses. They also have a paper pack similar to this, the regal charm. So each packet has two sheets of A3 size paper. So that's a look at Fashionista. And now here are the transfer sheets. So these are mixed element transfer sheets, easy to use. They come with a variety of designs, and when you flip back they have all the instructions of how to use these transferred sheets. So I'm quickly going to show you the designs that I have here. Some lovely elements that can be used for journaling, for home decor products. Colorful purple and green mandalas. So that's my DT kit this time, and I'll soon share projects that I create using all these interesting goodies. Until the next time, take care and bye-bye.